Hello everyone, welcome to the second edition of factorization of polynomials. In this we are going to understand the special case of remainder theorem, that is factor theorem. According to factor theorem, if we have a polynomial fx and alpha is a real number, then x minus alpha is the factor of fx I double f. This means if and only if f alpha is equal to 0. Now let's understand this with an example. Let's say we have a polynomial fx and x minus 2 is factor of fx. Then according to the factor theorem, x minus 2 will be factor of fx only and only if f2 is equal to 0. Now let's check this. So yes, the theorem holds true in this case and x minus 2 is factor of fx. Now let's do some questions on this topic. In our first question, we have to show that 2x plus 1 is the factor of given polynomial. This is 4x cubed plus 12x square plus 11x plus 3, and hence we have to factorize the same polynomial. Now first of all, let's take the given polynomial as fx and 2x plus 1 as gx. Now you know that factor theorem is a special case of remainder theorem and we know the working of remainder theorem. Therefore, the working of factor theorem will be the same. Now let's apply it. This gives x is equal to minus 1 by 2. We will put x is equal to minus 1 by 2 in fx. Therefore, 2x plus 1 is the factor of the given polynomial fx. Now, in order to factorize this further, we will divide fx by gx using division method. Now, those who do not know what factor will come here, you have to divide the first term of the given polynomial here, which we have to divide by the first term from which we are dividing, and this will give you the same factor. So remainder is 0 and quotient is 2x square plus 5x plus 3. In order to find out the remaining two factors, we will factorize this quadratic equation using splitting middle term method. Therefore, the factors of given polynomial 4x cubed plus 12x square plus 11x plus 3 are 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3 and x plus 1. Now let's do our next question. In the second type of question, we have to use the remainder theorem and the factor theorem to factorize the given polynomial. Here it is x cubed plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. Let's take it as fx. Now in this type of questions, it is given that you have to use factor theorem or remainder theorem or both to factorize the given polynomial, but the working of all of them is same. Now we do not know anything about the factor of this polynomial, so we will use hit and trial method. In hit and trial method, we will find out what is the constant term in the given polynomial. We will find out what are the factors of this constant term. For 26 it is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 13, plus minus 26, and we will put these values one by one in the given polynomial. The one which is going to give us 0 will be the factor of the given polynomial by factor theorem. So I am putting x is equal to 1. So putting 1, it is giving 0, and according to the factor theorem, x minus 1 is factor of fx. Now in order to find out the rest of the factor, we will divide fx by x minus 1 using division method. So our remainder is 0 and quotient is x square plus 11x minus 26. Now in order to find out the other two factors, we will factorize this quadratic polynomial using split in middle term method. And therefore the factors of fx are x minus 1, x minus 2 and x plus 13. Let's do our next question. In the third question, we have to find out a number which should be subtracted from a given polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square plus 5x, so that the resulting polynomial has 2x minus 3 as a factor. Let's take this polynomial as fx and 2x minus 3 as gx. Now let's suppose the number be m. Therefore, now using factor theorem, this gives x is equal to 3 by 2, putting x 3 by 2 in fx. Now according to factor theorem, f 3 by 2 is 0. Taking LCM, therefore the value of m is 3 and m should be subtracted from the given polynomial. Now let's do our next question. In the fourth type of question, we have to find out an unknown value in the polynomial for which a factor will be given. Here the factor is 3x minus 2 and the polynomial is 3x cube minus kx square plus 21x minus 10. Let's take this polynomial as fx and 3x minus 2 as gx. Now let's apply factor theorem. This gives x is equal to 2 by 3. Now putting x is equal to 2 by 3 in fx, now according to factor theorem, f2 by 3 is 0. So the value of k is coming 11. Here we have completed the topic of factor theorem. I hope you have understood how to apply factor theorem in the questions. If you have any query, write to me in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.